Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can create a subscriber list in Klaviyo. So let's jump right into it. To get started, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, check the link in the description to sign up for a free trial or log in quickly. Once you're in, click on the Audience tab from the left-hand menu. From the drop-down, choose Lists and Segments. At the top right, click Create List or Segment, then select Create List. Now, give your list a name, something that reflects its purpose to help you stay organized. You can also add tags if you'd like to categorize it further. Once you're done, hit Create List. With your new list created, it's time to upload your contacts. Click Upload Contacts, then hit Upload File. Select the CSV file from your device that contains your subscriber data. Before uploading, make sure the file is formatted correctly. Next, Klaviyo will prompt you to confirm your import settings. Check the boxes that match your preferences, such as the type of contacts you're uploading. When you're ready, click Next. Now review the final settings and click Import. Your contacts will be added to the list. You can view and manage them anytime by going back to the Lists and Segments section on your dashboard.